Hey everyone, Chris from Diesel Power Products, and today we have the Air-to-Water Intercooler from PPE. So let's talk application. This kit is going to fit the 11 to 23 Ford with the 6.7 liter Powerstroke. Along with the weak plastic charge pipes, the stock Air-to-Water Intercooler is extremely restrictive found on the 6.7 Powerstroke. So this kit's gonna come with both hot and cold side stainless steel charge pipes, boots, and clamps, so no more blown out cold side charge pipe issues. The intercooler itself is an all aluminum welded bar and plate style construction that is 63% less restrictive than the stock intercooler. The 50% larger core will increase cooling efficiency and reduce inlet back pressure, allowing the turbo to operate more efficiently. With the increased colder airflow from this kit, you're gonna see lower EGTs, better throttle response, and better fuel mileage. This kit is available in black, blue, or red powder coating, or you can get it raw if you wanna powder coat it yourself. And it's 100% drop-in, so no tuning or modifications required. We're super excited to see PPE get into this market. The fit and finish of this is top-notch. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach us on the site via chats or send us an email. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.